Good evening, Cody. We got your A9P computer done, and it turned out really good. Here's a little view of the capacitor repair. There's the first one. And there's the second one. And there's your third one. So one of them was pretty bad. It had a damaged trace below it, and the other two were not as bad, but they were damaged and leaking. So I think we got to this in time. I believe this is going to be a really successful repair. All right, let's test it out. Again, this is power, this is the check engine light, and this is the fuel pump. The fuel pump should run for 1 second when we turn the key on, so that guy should go green for 1 second. And it does. Check engine light should come on and stay on, and it does. And we have our 5 volts back on the 5-volt regulator, so this thing is working. And we'll put it in code pulling mode, and after a short sporadic pulse, you're going to see it slowly blink some 2-digit trouble codes. And there we are. Perfect. Just what I wanted to see. I think you're going to be happy. This is going to be a successful repair.